Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. Everyone hates passwords. They hate coming up with them, remembering them, and the annoying process of resetting them. That's why people take shortcuts like using their pet's name or reusing a password across several accounts. Those are bad habits that put businesses at risk. And it's why we're glad that Passkeys are coming as early as this fall. Passkeys are very simple. To log into something, you'll use your phone to prove it's really you. Your computer will use Bluetooth to verify you're sitting nearby. Then send a verification message to your phone. Unlock your phone in the usual way with your face, fingerprint, or PIN, and that's it. You're logged in. Apple has announced it'll start using Passkeys later this year with iOS 16. Google and Microsoft will offer them in the near future as well. We think Passkeys will become a hot topic in the year ahead. Can you see your business adopting them? That's your tech update. More next week.
Your problems taken care of before they become a problem for you. TCB. Taking care of business. Taking care of your business.